Storms tearing through USA, flooding entire cities, causing mayhem. Please subscribe to our channel, Ace TV Zimbabwe, for more content like this. Thank you.
In the United States, a tragedy after the flood, people went missing. The search continues for dozens of people missing after torrential downpour flooded a rural Virginia country, ripping homes off their foundation and damaging roads and bridges. The Buchanan County Sheriff's Office said 44 people were missing as of Tuesday morning, as the death toll remains at 0. Six inches of rain in just few hours on Tuesday caused significant damage to Buchanan County in western Virginia, meteorologist Robert Shackford said. Combined with the fact that the area is mountainous, rainfall can accumulate quickly and dangerous runoff has developed, he said. Just because people are missing doesn't mean they are really missing, officials stressed. Phone lines in the area have been cut, making it difficult to contact anyone affected by the flood, Virginia State Police spokeswoman Corinna Geller said. The number 44 reflects those whose loved ones have been unable to contact them and cases where the law enforcement is trying to contact and locate the individual and verify their well-being, the Buchanan County Sheriff's Office said in a statement. The storm was fast-paced and destructive, with massive flooding and road closures reports within hours. Radar estimated that 6 inches of rain fell in about 4 hours, which equals 1 of 1,000 chance of rain in a given year. We were sitting in this post office and the next thing you know, the house is floating down there. We thought it would wash away. 2 houses were washed away, said local resident Seth Owens. The governor of Virginia has declared a state of emergency to help with the recovery. The destructive storm was one of several that lingered over the country and parts of Kentucky, West Virginia, and Virginia. The Appalachian region is one of the most flash flood-prone regions in the nation, with many areas also at greatest risk from the growing threat of heavy rains, according to the analysis last year by non-profit climate research group Frost. The climate crisis is also exacerbating flash floods by increasing the intensifying precipitation or the amount of rain that falls in the short period of time. A warmer atmosphere can hold more water, making extreme rainfall more likely.